Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In this video, I will discuss about sets in Python and set methods. So guys, I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Right? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, it is part 4.3 in this Python series. So now let's have a look at the agenda. First we'll see what are sets and then we'll try to create the sets. And next up, looping and accessing the elements in the sets. And finally, we end up the lecture with the set methods, right? So now let's begin. Here I have a question. What are sets? Generally, set items are unordered, unchangeable, that means immutable, and do not allow duplicate values, right? It is created with the brackets. So now let's create the sets. First take a variable is open and close brackets and give the values 1, 2, 3, and I'm giving 1 again, 2 again, and 3 again. You can see I got this 1, 2, 3. You can see in the definition, do not allow duplicates. Here you can see I have given 1 is 2 times, 2 is 2 times, and 3 is 2 times. That means this part is duplicate of this part, right? That means it won't allow duplicates. It is the meaning of do not allow duplicates. And then unchangeable. The values can't be changed in the set. You can see here I'm changing the values in the set with the list indexing. Yeah, I got error. Set object does not support item assignment. That means you can't change the elements in the set, right? It is also completed. And then unordered. That means there is no indexing. You can see here set object is not subscriptable. That means there is no order in the sets. It is one method of creating sets. We have another method of creating sets with the set constructor. Set of I want to give A, B, and C. S1. You can see here I got this S1. Now I want to check the type of S1. It is a set, right? It is a one method and it is second method of creating sets. Now we'll see looping the sets. Here I have this set S1. I want to loop through this S1. For I in S1 print I. You can see I got this A, B, C. Now we'll see accessing the items. How can I access? Just give here if condition. If A available in S1 to print yes. You can see A is available in the S1. Just a second. I want to give a for loop here. For I in S1 A equals to I want to print I. You can see it is available, that means is, and it is printing the value of A, right? Now we'll see set methods. Here we have the 4 set methods: union, intersection, difference A from difference B, and then difference B from difference A. First I want to create 2 sets. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. I want to give set B. This contains 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So first union means we are combining all the elements in the set A and set B with the matching of same numbers. 4, 5 is available in the set B also. First I want to do the union. A dot union B. I'm adding it into the set C. You can see here these two are added into the set C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. Because the 4 and 5 are already available in the set A. That's why it is adding only the 5, 6, and 7. It is the union. This part is known as the same part. This part is known as the intersection part. That means if two sets have the matching elements, it is the matching elements. You can see 4 and 5 and 5 and 6. So that's why it is giving 4 and 5 only one time, because it do not allow duplicates, right? Now I want to do the intersection. Just copy this code paste here, change it to the D. Here give intersection. You can see I got this 4 and 5 because this is the common elements from the A and from the B. 4 and 5 is common in the set A and set B. Right, now I want to do the difference A from difference B and take it to the E. You can see difference A from difference B. That means it will give only the elements which is not matched to the set B, right? Because the 4 and 5 are matched to the set B, this part. So I want to ignore the matching element and the rest of elements in the B. I want to get elements only from the set A without matching. You can see I got these elements. 1, 2, 3 are not available in the set B. The same thing I want to do with the B also. Change it to the F and then here give B, here give A. Yeah, you can see I got 6, 7, 8 because the 6, 7, 8 is not available in the set A. You can see here it will ignore common elements. It will give only the elements which are available in the B which are not matched to the this A condition. So guys, I want to make a clear understanding about A difference B. Here I have this A and B. You can see I got 1, 2, 3 is same as the A minus B. That means I'm removing the elements which are matched in the B, right? Because the 4 and 5 are matched in the B. That's why I want to minus the elements which are matched in the B. Here you can see 1 to 3 are available in the A, but 4 and 5 are matched. So that's why I want to minus them. For the same condition, I want to remove B minus A. You can see it is removing 4 and 5 from the A. That means B minus A. Here I am getting only 6, 7 and 8. That means it is removing 4 and 5. Here you can see, right? Difference B from A. Now I want to clear the elements in the set A. A dot clear. Now you can see it is giving the empty set. With the clear method, you can clear the elements in the set. I want to copy B elements into the C. B dot copy. You can see I got the elements from the B to the C, right? Now I want to create one more set. Set is equal to values string of 1, string of 2 and string of 3. Now I want to update the set S with the set C. You can see here the set S is updated with the set C. That means it is adding the elements in the C elements into the set S, right? It is the update method. Now we have one more method which is add, right? Now I want to add elements into the set. Add sets. You can see it is added, right? But at the time you can't add two elements. Now I want to remove elements from the set. So I want to remove sets, right? You can see the sets is removed from the set is. Now I want to remove a random element from the set. S dot pop. You can see it is removed 4 from the set. This pop only removes one element from the set randomly, right? Now we have the discard. I want to discard the 8. I want to discard the element 8 from the set. You can see the 8 is removed from the set. I want to do the same. Now I want to remove the 8 only. You can see the 8 is already removed from the set. So that's why it is giving the error. But I want to do the same thing with the discard. You can see the 8 is already removed from the set, but it is not giving any error. So it is a difference between remove and discard. If the item is not available in the set, it will give error, but the discard won't give any error. So guys, we have covered what are sets, creating sets, looping through the sets, and accessing element in the sets, and we saw set methods: union, intersection, difference, and then update, add, remove, pop, and discard. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support.